What is up, guys? Good afternoon. It is Friday. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I just want to check in on two trades that I actually did today. Um, I'm actually going to be showing you probably my trade, my account, and how I'm growing it as well in upcoming videos. Today I just want to show you the videos that I'm in. So OCGN is a stock that I bought pretty much at close here, and what I was looking at was this huge run up in the morning, 72% gain, and then we did a dip. It was about 19% dip. So we had the high of 590, came down, established a low at 470, and then we went into this equilibrium pattern here, basically a bull flag that I was looking at with ranges getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And right when I saw a break at about 529 was actually the exact price that I got in, and I'm pretty much right before it was 12:30 when I got in, right before after hours. And after hours, this thing just pretty much exploded all the way to 57.69, still holding it. Perfect stair climber action going on with you have the high, a dip, breakout with another higher high, dip with a higher low, and then we have no breakout, and we're looking to establish pretty much peak to see where we're going to have a higher high, and we need to establish another higher low to keep in this pattern. If we establish a lower high and a lower low, this pattern is going to break and we're going to go bearish. But as of now, bears have complete control of this. And with this huge run up today, it's going to be on a lot of people's 150% watch list going into the weekend. So there's going to be a lot of eyes on this over the weekend. And we're going to probably see a lot of price action pre-market going into the open here on the West Coast at 6:30 a.m. So I'm still holding. And pretty much the news was they teamed up with pretty much vaccine in Europe that's effective with the the coronavirus in Europe strain, and they're trying to bring it to the U.S. And if that takes off, they're going to make 55% of the profits. So huge news, especially with the vaccine companies going pretty big. We also saw what happened to Moderna as well. So huge run ups. So I'm going to be interested in see. We know what's going to happen in pre-market on Monday. Things could really take off. So we'll pretty much see. I'm just waiting to see exactly when I'm going to sell, if the trend changes or whatnot, or if percentage gets too high, I might sell pre-market or I might continue to hold. So I'll see you guys Monday. Hope you guys have a good weekend.